Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Bosch washing machine error code E3. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the E3 error code means your washing machine isn't draining water properly or hasn't drained it within the expected time. So this usually points to a problem with the drain pipe or the filter pump. So how do you fix it? So first is you need to inspect the drainage hose here. So find the drain pipe at the back of your machine, disconnect it, and check inside of any blockages. Now if you see anything blocking the pipe, remove it. Reconnect the hose and make sure it's positioned correctly without any bends. Next is you want to clean the pump filter. Now if the hose isn't the issue, the pump filter might be clogged. So turn off the water inlet tap, place a towel in front of the filter cover to catch any water that might spill out. Open the filter cover by turning it counterclockwise and use a soft brush to clean any debris from the filter and rinse it with clean water. Now once it's clean, put the filter cover back on. Now also you might want to check for faulty wiring here. Now if you think the problem might be faulty wiring, it's best to call a professional technician to fix this. Also ensure proper installation. Have a technician check that all pipes are correctly installed to avoid any issues. And also perform regular maintenance here. So keep your machine in good shape, clean it with the right detergent every 3 to 4 weeks, and also make sure to remove any items from pockets before washing to prevent blockages. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.